What up, y'all? It's K Trade Trades here again with another banger. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about risk management for all my traders out there. This is where a lot of y'all fuck the game up. A lot of y'all fuck the game up. So stay tuned to the end of this video. I didn't really talk about the technicals as good as I would like to going back looking at the video, but it's all about your psychology. So just listen to the gems I was dropping and enjoy the video, man. I appreciate all the love I've been getting, man. I swear to God, man, I really appreciate the support. This shit gonna keep me going for a long time. I really appreciate y'all. But enjoy the video, my man. Hey, what up, y'all? It's K Trade Trades. Like I was just talking about in that last clip, I'm about to break down my risk and tell y'all my simple risk approach when it comes to trading. So with me, everybody knows, if you don't know by now, I trade supply and demand. So with supply and demand, I'm just simply waiting on a pullback into my zone and a push to whatever direction I wanted to go. This right here was a 4-hour supply. A 4-hour supply. It just so happened that it worked out beautifully. But this was let's get it right, 4-hour supply. So yeah, like I said, supply means down. So if we was looking at it on the 15-minute chart, you would look at it and say, this looks like it's going straight down. This looks like it's going straight down. Where was your entry? Or yeah, what was your entry at? But for this, I had to go down to the 5-minute chart to get my entry. If you looked at the 5-minute chart, right here was my confirmation candle that we were going to the downtrend. So once we broke below this right there, I knew that we were going. I knew that we were going down. I called this trade live in my Discord. By the way, if you want to trade with me, you could join. It's absolutely free. But yeah. So with this trade in particular, this was yesterday or the day before yesterday. I can't really remember. I risked. It was a simple 1-to-1. I risked $500 to make $500. Boom. I won my first trade with this candle right here. With this candle right here. Once we swept this liquidity and broke below the EMA, I took another short. Boom. I took another short once we broke below and closed below the EMA. And the same thing, and did the same thing again. This was a risk-free trade this time. I wasn't risking anything. This was a free trade basically. And I end up winning this one too. So that was how I made $1,000 just using the most simple approach probably that you could do, or risk approach that you could do. Bro, listen to me. Don't get distracted by all these people with these big giant numbers in trading, bro. Most of that shit is fake. Most of it. Like, do you know how insane it is to be making $50 and $40 and $30,000 in a trade, my nigga? Like, do you know how crazy that is? As somebody who actually is trading this shit every single day, like I've been trading for a long time, making $4,000 or $5,000 a trade is impressive as fuck, my nigga. It's impressive. Like, if you can make $700-800 a day, my nigga, that is so good. That is amazing. Imagine how you are living compared to everybody else if you was making $700 or $800 a day. Just think about that. You don't really need these big crazy $1,000 days. Shit, if you making $1,500 a week, bro, even not even $1,500 a week. If you're making $2,000 every 2 weeks, and if you not even that, bro, if you're making $5,000 a month off of trading, why would you continue to work a job knowing that you could make $5,000 a month in trading? Like, why would you work a job? Or why would you not be working towards building this skill that is going to potentially replace my 9 to 5 job? Like, bro, you literally are printing money out of thin air. I don't know how many times I gotta keep telling y'all niggas this shit. You are printing money out of thin air. Bro, these 9 to 5 jobs. I literally just quit my job a week ago. I said, fuck that shit, my nigga. This trading is making me more money, bro. Making me more money. Now, I done decided to take that risk and go full time. And I'm not sweating, and I mean I'm making money. Like I said, I'm a full time profitable trader. I'm not sweating it at all. So that's what led me to make that decision. Like, I'm gonna be fine. But ever since I've taken that risk, I've seen growth on all my pages. My last YouTube video got the most views I ever had on any YouTube video. Yeah, man. So I'm just gonna keep staying consistent and keep saying discipline with this. But that's a whole different topic for a whole nother video. We gotta get back on the topic of risk. Bro, it is no reason you should be risking more than you are making, my nigga. If on Monday, if you made $100, on Tuesday, you made $150. You are up $250 on the week. Do not trade the third week. Do not trade the third day, bro. Don't. Why would you risk your money? I'm talking about if you are trading a small account. Say you scale up. You trading $1,000 account. And you making $200 a trade. Bro, if you're up $400 on the week, my nigga, do not trade no more for the week. Don't. Why would you even do that? Why would you risk your profit that you just made? Like, bro, this trading shit, you are going to fuck up. It is going to mentally fuck you every single time. It's going to. You're going to see setups. Like, for example, I can give you an example right here, right now. Somebody saw this candle. Actually, no. Let me do this one. Let me do this one. Somebody saw this liquidity get swept. Somebody who was already up on the week, probably. Somebody was probably up $600 on the week already. And this was Friday, as y'all can see. This was a Friday. Somebody was probably already up $600 or $700 on the week. And because they had a bullish bias and fucked around and pressed buy, instead of just not trading at all today, just taking a break from the chart, stepping away from the charts, they probably, if they were like me, they probably looked at this liquidity getting swept and thought it was going to reject off this EMA and probably took a buy. And if that person was not using a stop loss, they would have lost every fucking dollar of profit that they made that week, my nigga. And do not let that be you. That is a fucked up, stupid ass feeling. My nigga, you just won 4 days in a row and you're going to let just one bad day wipe away all of your profit, my nigga? All of your profit, bro? Why the fuck would you do that, bro? It's simple little mistakes like that that separates the winners from the losers in this trading shit. The winners know when to call it a day. There's no reason, bro. This over trading thing, bro. I've noticed a lot of traders are having these big giant days, but these niggas is taking 7-8 trades in a day, my nigga. Bro, any real logical trader, why the fuck would you be taking 7-8 trades in a single session, my nigga? A single session for me is from 9 to 11. How in the fuck am I gonna take 7 or 8 trades in 2 hours, my nigga. I'm damn near waiting on one setup for 15, 20 minutes. Shit, 2 hours. The hell, sometimes the setup don't even play up at all. So I'm just like, bro, I just don't understand some of y'all risk strategies. Some of y'all losing days be $1,000, and some of y'all winning days be $200. Like how? Like how? What is your logic behind it? What is your logic behind it? I'm truly curious, and I truly want to help y'all with that shit. But yeah, bro, without risk management or good risk management, your win percentage means nothing. You could win every single. Listen, you could have a 80% win rate, and that 20%, as long as your losers were bigger than your winners, nigga, you were unprofitable for the year, even though you had a goddamn 80% win rate. Think about that, bro. Simply because you can't understand that you are risking more than you are making. You do not understand how to protect your capital. You are not treating trading as a business like it's supposed to be treated. But that's what I'm here to help y'all with, man. But like I said, man, it's K Trade Trades here. My Discord link gonna be in the description. It's free. Please, please join. I need more students to teach. Like I said, it's free. I just want to give game. That's it. I just want to give game to y'all, man. More people need to make money. More people need to make more money. So, yeah, man, the link for that gonna be in the description, man. I really, really appreciate the growth I've been getting, man. I love y'all so much. I swear, I love y'all so much. Please, please, please continue to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna keep dropping these daily videos. And I'll see y'all tomorrow morning.